Before you begin, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you will not miss any of our entertaining videos to take care of your health. Look what happens if you pour salt in the corners of your house. Amazing! These are some of the rituals which we can perform with salt. 1. If you feel too heavily laden with negativity, put thick salt on the shower tray or bathtub, and then dip it steadily until it is undone. You will feel light and refreshed. 2. Put a handful of sea salt in each of your pockets when attending a job interview or exams, will help you achieve your goal. 3. Wash with warm water and abundant salt all objects that you feel are charged with negative energy. This will transmute. 4. When returning home after an intense day, it is recommended to spread salt in a bath sponge, add a little of the usual soap and rub the body from top to bottom, to eliminate the bad vibes that have been collected during the day. 5. Pour a little salt into the entrance door. If the person who leaves our house brought bad intentions, will not return. 6. Mix salt with black pepper, and place in a bowl in the room or office, to repel the evil eye. 7. To attract money, put laurel, rosemary and salt in a cloth bag at the entrance of your house. The ancient Romans said that you never miss salt in your pantry, because it represents your sustenance. When salt is missing or wasted, money and employment will be scarce. Ritual with salt. It is common for shamans and esoteric specialists to recommend this ritual of salt, to purify houses, and to bring peace and prosperity. Method of production. We just have to pour fine salt in a bowl, and place ourselves in the center of the main room. Start picking up handfuls of salt, and see yourself spraying the corners of the house, clockwise. Make sure that all corners of the room are sprinkled with salt. Then continue with the other rooms. Then, we will either suck or sweep the salt completely. This simple ritual is very effective, and has these 5 benefits. 1. Repeat the negative energies. 2. Purify our home. 3. Protect our home. 4. It removes unwanted visitors. 5. Attract peace and prosperity. If you like the video, and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, to share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos.